Okay. We are back at it. We are at the, well, out of the Adirondack Lodge area and on our way to Tabletop in Phelps. This will be my 22nd and 23rd, so I will be halfway through the 46er challenge after this, so excited, and it's gorgeous. Such a clean, crisp fall day. So many leaves on the trail. So cool. This is so pretty. Oh, I'm just blown away because it's like kind of like the sun's going in between clouds and getting all these little like peaks of everything, and it's so fall-esque. It's so beautiful. Look at those mountains. Wonder which one is our summit. Pretty. Whoa. Oh, I just walked into it. I must walk into 10 different spider webs every time I hike. Goodness. Phelps is, well, I want to try to do Tabletop first. They said Phelps is like 2.3 miles away. So, and it's not even 9 yet. I booked it. Alright. Oh cool, another trail registration. I don't know if I should. Oh, so pretty. It's kind of tricky to follow. I would definitely suggest researching the trail for Phelps and Tabletop a little bit before you go, which I'm really glad I did, because usually I don't research trails. I just kind of go for it, which now that I think of it, is kind of scary. But yeah, I did a little research, so like I knew to follow like signs to Mount Marcy for a while, and then yeah, you just kind of keep following signs for Mount Marcy, and then you'll start seeing signs for Phelps, so that's what you follow. And then for Tabletop, I think it's a little different. I believe I'm gonna come to an intersection where it just says Phelps, but then it doesn't say, it's like to your left, but then to your right will be like another like herd path. That's what they said on the like articles I read. So even though that's like unmarked, that is Tabletop. And then you will come to another intersection that will indeed tell you to go. I think it's left again for Tabletop, so yeah. And they said to do Tabletop before Phelps, so that's what I'm doing. So excited. Okay, I just wanted to show this if you're doing Phelps and Tabletop, because it's a little confusing. So this sign, Phelps, so left to Phelps, and then even though it doesn't say tabletop, it just says Indian Falls and Marcy. This is where you want to go for tabletop. So yeah, and then to do Phelps as well, you just come back down to this intersection. So yeah, I just wanted to let people know if they want to do this trail that's I think the most direct. Again, this is my first time doing it, so that's what all the articles I read told me, and they haven't steered me wrong so far. So yeah, just want to give that little piece of information. And I think we're only maybe a mile away, probably a little more, no more than 2, I think, though. So yeah, excited. Okay, we made it, but tabletop. There's tabletop. So we did go the right way. So yeah, everything I said in that last clip, A+, it's 100%, it's true. So, okay, let's go. It's significantly steeper once you reach the Phelps and Marcy cutoff, and this one too. So just keep that in mind. Okay, we just got to another split. You see there, well, don't know if you can see it, but it says tabletop as well as Indian Falls and Mount Marcy. So I'm really glad I saw that, because I've been on this for like probably 20-25 minutes, and I'm like, I feel like I should be there by now. But then again, I have no idea what mileage this was, so I don't really know what to expect. But that was giving me good timing. Oh, here we go. Okay, you will also see the split. That's where we're going. To the left. To tabletop. And then, I don't know if you can see that, but it says tabletop. And then probably we'll come back down to do Indian Falls, because I don't think that's too much further. And then Phelps. Super excited for that one, because that's supposed to be, the videos I watched of that were just incredible. Like, it looks like such a pretty ridge line. So excited. Excited for this one too. So yeah, 22nd high peak. I believe I'm on the right trail for tabletop, and I know it's trailless, but this is very trees. Like, there's, I hope I'm going the right way. I mean, like, look at all the trees. I'm going right through a stream, I believe. Okay, I just realized, coming back from Indian Falls, I forgot to get it on my GoPro. It's okay though, I have it on my phone. But yeah, it's not, definitely do it, because it's like not even like 0.2 miles away. It's literally right up the corner, so from tabletop. So you just continue, instead of taking the route left to tabletop, you go straight, and it's literally like above that little clearing that you'll see, and it's there. So yeah, I completely forgot, but I did just come back from Indian Head, or Falls. That's another hike. But now on to Phelps. So excited. Okay, we're on our way to Phelps. We've got a little over a mile, all uphill, but I'm so excited. Okay, we're almost to Phelps, I believe. Oh, and she's getting treeless. Couldn't find the right word. Oh yeah, it's so cool. So pretty. Oh. Phelps Mountain, number 23. Oh, halfway through the challenge. Oh my gosh, here she is. Ah! Wait, oh, I think it's a little bit before actually. Alright, so we're on our way back, coming down from Phelps. Just realized I don't think I got myself saying we're at the top, but anyways, it was so pretty. It's number 23 for me, and yeah, I'm halfway through the 46er challenge. I have no idea how I got here, but I guess I am. Yeah, so we are on our way back down. I think we're going to see the Marcy Dam soon because I can hear it, number one. But honestly, I think I still have like a mile or so till that, so, and then a mile or so back to the car. So today was a pretty light day. It wasn't too bad. Yeah, Tabletop, Phelps, and Indian Falls. Okay, here we are at the Marcy Dam. We didn't get it before, so